High as a cat, never sober. Python, hit him with a cobra. Free up my bro Casanova.
Let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this.
I wish you told me this before. Oh, my love, my love, my love, my love. Oh, won't you stay a while?
Why was there never enough? I put everything I had into us. Sheltered you from the shit and the dust, and when you fell down, I was picking you up. Always a shoulder, always I'd hold you. But I guess that isn't enough. How is it I was giving you love and you was killing our love? It was stupid. I gave in to Cupid just to find out that his arrows are useless. Is love real? Or is it just written in movies? How the fuck could you do this? Tell me you care. Hold my hand and told me you're here. Then let go when I needed you most. What the fuck? Don't act like it's fair. Broken inside, feeling alone. Hating your guts but needing your home. Why is it my love wasn't enough? Fuck, I wish I'd have known.
The power in what you do. Now every other day I've been watching you.
I'm doing nothing, cause then at least I'm doing nothing wrong. And I'm gonna stay in on my own and turn off my telephone if nothing's gained.
The power in what you do. Now every other day I've been watching you.
So won't you stay and hold me while you wait? I wish that I was good enough. If only I could wake you up, my love, my... I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star.